something that the people had not given us the authority to do. Now, the Constitution, Part 1, Article 37, which is listed as the separation of powers, also carries some other valuable information in it. It describes the Constitution as an indissoluble fabric of unity and amity. That means that in order to understand the Constitution, you must know the whole Constitution. You cannot take any article out of context of the other articles. So if you want to understand the powers that the people have delegated to us, you have to look at the whole document. The people delegated to us a general power to make law. Part 1, Article 1, Part 1, Article 10, Part 1, Article 12, and Part 1, Article 29, and Part 2, Article 5. Then they went ahead and they delegated two powers very specifically. Part 1, Article 28 delegates us the power to levy taxes. Part 1, Article 6, as originally written, delegated to us the power to give authority to the cities and towns to establish public schools. People took that power away in 1968. Now, the thing you must pay attention to is the fact if there are specifically delegated powers, then those powers don't exist in the general delegation. If they did, there'd be no reason to make the specific delegation. So what sets those powers apart from the general power? Those laws that affect everybody equally. Taxes reaches into your pocket. Public schools touch your children. They reach into your personal space. So it's very apparent that when the founders wrote our Constitution, they believed that if they were going to grant the legislature the power to reach into your personal space, it had to be specifically granted. Now,
would the representative suspend?
Yes.
You were out of the room when I stated